Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkane. We have to carry out a substitution reaction with the help of a nucleophile on haloalkane. In 12th class, there are basically two types of nucleophilic substitution reactions, that is SN1 and SN2. Now a question arises, what is the meaning of this SN1? S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophile and 1 stands for unimolecular. We all know the meaning of substitution. Substitution means replacement of one group by another. Since this substitution is carried out by nucleophile, so the SN, nucleophilic substitution. Now, what does this 1 indicates? 1 indicates unimolecular. Unimolecular meaning rate of reaction depends only and only on one molecule. That's why this is known as unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is the general meaning of SN1. अभी धीरे धीरे हम इसको डिटेल में आगे और पढ़ेंगे. Similarly, SN2, S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophile and 2 means bimolecular. माने substitution carried out by nucleophile, so nucleophilic substitution, and rate of this substitution depends on 2 molecules. That's why this is known as SN2, माने bimolecular nucleophilic substitution. So this is the etymological meaning of SN1 and SN2. Now we will discuss one by one these reactions in detail. So firstly I am going to discuss the SN1 reaction. As I told you, those reactions whose rate depends only on one molecule is known as SN1 reaction. For example, I took a molecule tersh-butyl bromide and I am taking a nucleophile aqueous NaOH. I have to complete this reaction. Since I use the word aqueous, that means here OH negative will behave as my nucleophile. So here what will happen? This bromine get replaced with the help of this nucleophile OH and my product will be this. So this is the reaction. बट ये रिएक्शन एक्चुअल हुई कैसे है, इसका होने का एक प्रॉपर पाथवे है जिसको हम बोलते हैं मैकेनिज्म ऑफ द रिएक्शन एंड थ्रू मैकेनिज्म वी विल गेट टू नो व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज यूनिमोलिकुलर. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू नाउ द मैकेनिज्म. So, mechanism of the reaction. In actual, SN1 takes place in 2 steps. This is basically a 2-step reaction. In first step, there is a formation of carbocation. First step is the formation of carbocation. So, this is my reactant. First step is the formation of carbocation. Carbocation means there will be a breakage of this carbon and Br bond. This step is reversible and it will be my slow step. Why slow step? Because here bond is breaking and it will occur in the presence of a polar solvent. So there will be a formation of a carbocation. Coming to the second step. Second step is the attack of nucleophile. Attack of nucleophile. So this is my carbocation. I have taken the nucleophile OH negative. So there will be a combination of this positive and negative charge, and this is a single step reaction, and this will be fast. Why fast? Because here bond formation is taking place. So my product is this one. So if you simply see, here bromine is replaced with the help of this OH group, but this replacement occurs in two steps. Now why we are calling it as a unimolecular? Because rate of any reaction depends only and only on the slow step. And students, if you observe the slow step, then in the slow step, in the reactant side, only one molecule is participating. Only this reactant is participating. So rate will depend only and only on this molecule. That's why this reaction is known as unimolecular. This is all about SN1. In next lecture, we will discuss the SN2. Thank you so much.